Did you know? Penguins have an amazing secret. They don't always walk on their feet. Watch this. You see, penguins live on ice and snow where it's super slippery. Walking on ice is very slow, as they found a better way.
I have an idea.
So penguins do something super clever. They slide on their bellies. It's like sledding down a snowy hill, but on purpose. And guess what? When penguins slide on their bellies, they can zoom across the ice at speeds up to 9 miles per hour. That's 3 times faster than walking. Here's the science. When penguins walk, their feet create friction with the ice, which slows slide. Während they fly, it smooths their feet. Belly sliding also saves energy. Walking uses a lot of a penguin's muscles, making it tired. But sliding? Penguins' belly sliding is also super important for survival. When a penguin sees a dangerous predator slide away to seal, that speed could save its life. Baby penguins have to learn how to belly slide. At first, they're not very good at it and they tumble and fall. But their parents teach them, and soon they're zooming across the ice just like adults. Emperor penguins, Adelaide penguins, Gentoo penguins, they all belly slide. It doesn't matter how big or small they are. Here's a fun fact. When penguins visit visible slide marks in the snow, scientists can track penguins by looking for these belly slide trails. It's like the penguins are drawing pictures on the ice.
Did you love learning about penguins? Subscribe to Nani June TV for more amazing animal facts.